Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're dealing with here is we're standing outside and we're supposed to narrate this shit when dogs attack. Okay. We're standing outside.
With a mop.
Yes. Can we see the mop? Yes, there we go. There's the mop. And Jordan over here, she's sporting a cane. I feel like I got ripped off somehow. I got this cheap ass mop. She got the cane.
I lost focus for a second. I was like up the window.
We're gonna wake the neighbors up.
We're awake because of them. Fuck them. We would be awake anyway. But the baby would.
There's 3 dogs under the house, and one of them won't quit fucking barking. And if he would come out,
And there's more like standing around the neighborhood.
Just waiting. Surrounded by dogs. And this guy's damn cold. Let's go back in the house. We can't do nothing about this. It's cold out here. You not cold?
Yeah. I'm like walking all weird.
Are you still recording?
Forgot.